Well, hey there, folks. It's Dub here, and we're back with the Cairn Box. This is the June 2018 edition. It's not heavy, it's not light, it's an interesting shape. I don't know, it's got a weird kind of rattle in there. I'm leaning towards some kind of, I don't know. I'm gonna go with fishing gear. I'll commit. I think it's something along those lines. I could be wrong. We'll see. Whatever it is normally interesting. So we'll see what she's got. All right. Put the knife away for safety. And we'll open it up. First thing we see, a bend in the river will help straighten out your life. So, river, water, I don't know. Maybe it's something here to do with water. Let's see what it is. All right, so the first thing out of the box here is the Cairn Scout. And so it outlines a few things there. It talks about some products. Again, if you're interested in getting that, either get a subscription or hit me up. You can have that one. And let's open her up here and see what we've got. All right, so we were close. We were water themed. I think this might be, this is a Discovery Seal Line dry bag. Okay, so we got a little Velcro action here. We'll open it up. So this would be something you could use if you were going on a floating trip or you knew you had to cross some water somewhere and you had some stuff that needed, let's get that knife back out. You had some stuff that needed to stay dry. So we've gotten other waterproof bags before, but this one is obviously quite large. I'd say, I don't know, maybe 3 gallon or so. Let's see if this thing has any information on it. Make sure to seal it, wrinkle free, connect the buckle. All right, that's about how to wrap it up. So nothing on there that gives us any indication of the size of it. But we'll take a look at this here and see what it says. Dry seal, PVC free. Looks like it's a 7 ounce, 5 by 8.5 by 14 inches is the dimension. So I don't see any kind of rating in gallons. But if you know, like, oh, it says 10 liters. So they're going metric. And they're saying 10 liters here. So, that is a pretty, you know, reasonable amount of gear. And the bottom, it's a bit thicker than everything else if you're, you know, consistently putting this down. But that'll almost hold a, you know, full backpack full of clothes or whatever else you need. Get a cell phone in there. So, very cool. That is a pretty major item. All right, we'll grab these. This is what was making a little noise that threw me off. This is Viter Energy, wintergreen flavored dietary supplement. Freshens breath and boosts your energy, and it is sugar-free. So I'll try and get the nutrition info up there if anybody can see that. If not, it's pretty darn small. It's saying no calories. So what is in these things? Serving size is 1 piece. Oh, we got 40 milligrams of caffeine. Okay, so it's a caffeine mint. Not a bad idea. I'll take it. I don't know how the caffeine mint and the dry bag go together if it's a themed, but hey, it's blue. And last but not least, you got your Tiny Tools key clip. So they show back here, you hook that onto your, you know, belt loop there and tuck it in your pocket, kind of like a biker chain, I guess, except it's light blue and rubberized, so I don't know how tough you'll look. But it's not a bad idea for when you're, you know, floating around or going in the river or going for a jog. I would say, I mean, it could be smaller, you know what I mean? But I guess they have it clip into the belt, you know, loop it into the pocket. But I mean, I don't know. It could have been like, why are they both the same size? It could be like one bigger and one smaller. Anywho, I guess it's a good idea. They do seem to rotate on here, so if you're jogging along and it's kind of flopping, it won't break off, I guess. This part's rubberized, it's a little stretchy. This bit here is all plastic. I don't know about the longevity of it, but small solutions for everyday problems. Attach keys, secure loose items, wrap cords and wires. Yeah, I guess you could use it for other stuff as well, not just a key thing. It could be some other kind of slightly bungee-esque item. So, it looks like we went with kind of an aqua theme here. I guess I was kind of on that theme a little bit. I thought fishing. Well, I guess if you're out here with your clips and your caffeine mints and your bag, you might not be fishing. So, anywho, as a recap, it's the clips, the Vita Energy caffeine tabs, and the bag itself. And one thing I didn't show was there is a Purge Air deal right here, and I am guessing you push on that, kind of like if any of you are old enough to remember the old pump shoes, you know, like the Nikes, they had the pump. I had some old LA Gears. Yeah, they were pumps. I guess. So, anyways, that's a pretty cool deal. Have to try out how waterproof that is. Alright, folks. That's not fitting back into that well. But this is Dub, signing off. Catch you on the next one.